Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make sugar cookies. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need a mixer. Any type of mixer will do. You want an extra bowl to sift out your flour. You're gonna need an egg, baking powder, sugar, vanilla extract or vanilla paste, almond extract, salted butter, flour, salt, and you're gonna need some measuring equipment and also preferably a scale to measure the flour. So let's get started. So I have my salted butter and sugar in the bowl. It's 1 cup of salted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and we're just going to mix this on high until it's creamed. Scrape the bowl every 1.5 minutes up to 3 minutes to make sure that everything's been incorporated correctly. So it's been about 2 minutes and the butter and sugar are well incorporated. And then we are going to add 1 room temperature egg. So I added my 1 room temperature egg and now I'm going to mix. So now I added my almond extract and vanilla bean paste into my mixture and I'm just mixing that in. Okay, so now in my bowl, I weighed out 420 grams of flour and added in my baking powder and salt. And altogether it's 431 grams for baking powder, salt, and flour. And you just want to mix that around. You can either sift all of these ingredients together, or if you use a whisk and just mix it around, that will also take out all of those extra lumps that might be in your batter. So now I have my sifted flour and I'm going to put my sifted flour into my batter mixture in slow increments. So you'll know when your dough is ready when the dough starts to pull away from the bowl, and you'll get almost a non-sticky dough, so it will not be a sticky dough that feels like Play-Doh consistency. So as you can see, the dough has been pulled away from the bowl, and that's when you know that it's going to be done. And then when you take it out, it feels like a soft Play-Doh, not sticky, and that's when you know your sugar cookie dough is ready. So I'm going to be baking a portion of my sugar cookie today. So I got a cutting board, put a parchment paper on top, and I'm going to put another parchment paper right on top, and I'm going to roll this out. So I rolled it out, and now when you roll it out, there's little to no mess, and you have your rolled out dough. Now you can pretty much cut whatever shapes you want, put it in the oven for 325 degrees for 10 minutes, and then you're done. So once I put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 325 degrees, you are pretty much left with no spread sugar cookies. Once these are chilled, you can pretty much go ahead and start decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.